You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy, what is it? Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us. Hey, man. We got, hold on a second. There we go. We got July Peppers, RJ, RL, Uncle Bark, Yama, Cube, Q, Good Morning, Jay Prowse, Jay Luge, Hockey, Shane. What up? Omega, Lisa, Justin, SJR, Eris, Camilo, Joyride, Daily Clash, good morning. Killing, Davey, Guy, Onlooker, Black Badger, J, Diaz, Cube, Q, Chaving, Brian, Private, Blap, Jack, Elite Trader, Luck, Max, Lomanco. Good morning to you, Mike, 72, Gringo, El Diablo. Okay, let me fix that. Let's see here. It does it every single time. There we go. Try that. There we go. What's happening? Markets are pushing up here, making a new high. Nothing but good news in the markets right now. It's crazy. Markets are doing a little blow off top here at this double top. Seems like they got some more juice to squeeze. We made a lot of money last night in Globex if you joined us. $25,000 in Globex in our funded seat funded accounts. Oh, baby. That was the goods. That was delicious. So we are kind of squeezing up here. We don't have any news this morning that's going to be moving the market, so it's going to be pure technical price action. And by news, I mean planned economic releases. We obviously have the news that has been moving the market, which has the NQ up basically 3.5%, and the S&P's up almost 3% here. So we'll have to see if we can have any kind of follow through for these moves. Right now, looks like we just grabbed some liquidity from up high, and now we are auctioning back kind of in this zone here. I'm curious to see if we can have continuation in equities as well, since we are pumped up quite a bit. It is a huge extension of price. Back trading 25,240 here in the NAS. There was a Trump tweet or truth or whatever you want to call it that came out this morning that said that he's going to tariff any country that is selling Iran weapons by 50%. So he did bring back the tariffs somehow, some way. Found a way to bring back tariffs. FOMC in 6 hours. No, we have the FOMC meeting minutes, not the FOMC. Oh, this is the power drill song. Get me out of here. Hate that one. No, get that out of here. Hate that power drill song. Looking for a double top blowout here. Nice little continuation to the top side. Would like to see some follow through holding above 50s and 68.45 here. Let's see if we have some push up maybe to the 60s here. That'd be lovely. In our alpha funded accounts. Taking off 2 contracts there. And it looks like it wants to have continuation here above that 55 level. See if we can get pulled out a little bit higher here. Just looking for that little tap up above. Got filled 1, trying to get 1 more out here and out the rest. Nice little start here in our alpha funded accounts. I mean, that is technically all we really need to trade on these accounts if that's all we wanted to do today. Currently up $15,000 across the board in our alpha accounts overall. Will be interesting to see if we get this massive continuation here. Today is not FOMC. Today is FOMC meeting minutes. Seems to be the thing that happens for some reason. Prop firm traders seem to think the FOMC meeting minutes is the FOMC. It's never the FOMC. It's very strange. Never understood it. Nice Ripsy reversal there at the top side. Did we exactly top tick the market? I think so. Feels like it. Thanks, George. Thanks for tuning in. That was a lot of fun. Those guys are wild. New to your stream, what are you using to make decisions? The order flow, key levels, time and sales, order size, momentum. What happened, LaValle? Says off to a horrible start. What happened, buddy? What's going on? How can we make your day better? Elong the top. No. Oh, I hate to hear that. Margins on my amp account are so high. Yeah. 100%, buddy. Unless they change them. So grabbing liquidity from up high, kind of chopping around. We don't have any news at the bottom of the hour. Yeah, I can't turn my mouth. Yeah, there we go. Time frame you trading on just depends. I do my top-down analysis from H4, H1, M30, M15, M5, M3, M1. Lito, you got your Lucid account. Amazing. Have you traded it yet? How long you been streaming? Just over 3 years. Been trading for 12. You have $192. Oh my goodness. Let's go, baby. Currently trading NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures. Do a channel points gamble here. Let's do a nice little 836. All right, 5 minutes for this prediction here. Do you think the ceasefire is just so Americans can buy some cheap oil before they fight again? Your guess is as good as mine. It always seems like there's something below the surface of what we're hearing. Just passed my funded seed account. How long till I can activate? I'm wondering if anybody knows. Here's the news, buddy. You don't have to activate. It automatically activates within 10 minutes of you passing it. Oh. Bang. Funded seed, baby. 68% off. Funded seed is this account right here where I made $25,000 yesterday. Yes, indeed. What is that? 5166.96 times 5 accounts. $25,834.80. Let's go. Traded that live, baby. No interest in trading CLD open. No, not me. Oops, wrong button. It is funny though to see. Remember the guy who came in Globex? He's like, I don't understand. I believe it was. Yes. I remember now. It was right here during Globex. He said, I don't understand why everybody in here doesn't just buy oil and go long. I swear to God, that should have been the moment that we all shorted oil. That dipshit in fucking Globex. He's like, how do prop firms work? What do you mean? Asking fucking 100 questions. He doesn't know how to read an FAQ. And he's like, I don't understand why everybody in here doesn't just buy crude oil long. I don't get it. I don't understand. And he's like, traders, listen to me. Buy crude right now. I don't know, pal. Doesn't seem like that's a very good trade. I mean, I don't know how to read these chart things or anything, but to me, that just doesn't look like a very good trade at all. That should have been our signal. Just fucking go balls deep short. It's always so funny how that works out. It was the GME guy too. I remember that. It was the GME guy too. There's two people. It was the guy who's been holding on to GME since like $100. And what is GME trading at? Oh my God, there's two people. This guy, well, probably like he's been in GME since like $500. And he's like, I don't understand. You guys should all be long crude right now. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, God bless. How's your long doing, buddy? Fuck, you need to give me more trade ideas so I can fade the fuck out of them, please. If you have any trade ideas that just come to your brain, please post them in chat, please. Because I'm going to fade the fuck out of them with max leverage in my cash account. Please post every trade idea that comes into your brain. Like, you might be the greatest asset to my trading that I've never even experienced. Like, holy shit, bro. Please send me every single trade idea that you truly believe in your heart of hearts that is really good, because I will go max leverage opposite of that trade. Oh, man. I want it so bad, dude. Please. Yes, Big How. I did trade the Globex Open. We did make 25,000 and change in our funded accounts. Rips Lucid Pro is sick. Love the firm. Amen, brother. It's so good. I closed my eyes and buy 3 mini longs at 25, 122, and I took out 2 holding one. Let's go, Andrea. That was a fucking trade right there, baby. Yeah, Lucid Pro is goated. Let me see what I got over here. I think Lucid Pro I haven't traded since I had my little drawdown in those. Let's see. These are my Lucid Pro. Yeah. Oh God, those are down 3K. So I gotta figure those out. But dude, these funded seat are fucking goated. I'm very amped on trading these funded seat accounts. I forget what the drawdown is that I have in these things, but wait, I have way more contracts I can use now too, I think. I'm pretty sure. I gotta check out the rules. I always forget to read the fucking rules. Let's see. FAQ. Trading products. Models, there we go. One step daily. So end of day drawdown is $4,500. Amazing. So I can trade up to 12 minis. Oh, that's insane. What the fuck? Oh, right now. So I have 3,000. I can trade up to 8 minis. Okay. So it's adjusted at the end of the day. So I'll be able to trade 8 minis after this day clears. Insane. Amazing. Oh, this is cool too. On funded seat, you can continue to trade while they process your payout. That's nice. So when you request your payout, they instantly remove the balance from your account and you can continue trading. I know that's a huge thing for a lot of people where it's like, dude, some prop firms kind of fuck you up where it's like, you request a payout and then they leave the balance in. They're like, let's see if they can hold back their urge to trade. Max payout is not too low in your opinion? It's daily payouts, brother, and it's fucking TPT without the fucking trailing drawdown. I'm sorry, but I'll never be able to understand like the whole discussion of like too low or out of your mind, brother. It's daily payouts, homie. It's fucking daily payouts. Yes, it's daily payouts, brother. Daily payouts. It's so good. It's unbelievable. Okay, so funded seat, again, if you guys missed this, because clearly I'm not communicating this correctly. There's no monthly fee. It's instant activation, no activation fee. Daily payouts. Everything you like about TPT, everything you hate about TPT is gone. So there's no trailing drawdown. In funded, there's no trailing drawdown. Fucking brilliant, dude. It's incredible. It's insane. So like, I love TPT because the daily payouts. Oh, by the way, yeah. And the other thing is on the daily accounts, the ones that I trade, they're 2 days to pass, not 5. Payout cap is $2,500 per account per day. So $12,500 per day. Oh, we got a Trump tweet or something. Oh, you were long, were you? Wouldn't that be a shame? Wouldn't that be a shame if you were long? Let him know, Ricky. Coming down to this bottoming area now. I wish we knew what the fucking news was. Tell me, God, why are they so slow sometimes with these fucking headlines? Dímelo. I didn't realize TPT was trailing at the funded level. Put on 5 micro NQ what works. Set TP at SL. 500 TP hit, but after the chop my draw, I was like, yeah, it's annoying. But that's why, Justin, that's why I like the funded seat stuff. Funded seat is everything you love about TPT. The daily payouts, they're quicker to pass, and there is no trailing drawdown. What in God's name is happening here? Somebody fucking tell me. That can't be technical. I'm sorry, but it can't. I'm not hearing anything of why this is happening. This is really annoying. I'm really disappointed. If we are to break below this bottoming area, this thing can roll heavily. Like, we are at a huge section of the market right now, a huge volume shelf. Heg says having a press conference. I'm not getting any kind of updates from that. I'll be right back with you, folks. Don't go anywhere. All right, we're back. We are back. A little choppy there. My goodness. Little boop, beep, boop. Saudi Arabia's east-west oil pipeline reportedly attacked. Okay, that makes more sense. So, there's your news, I guess. Rips, it's 8:20. NYMEX open for metals. Price acts almost in confluence to the New York Open every day, looking for mean or settlement, especially when super extended, unless news comes in the morning in which it may overextend, but 8:20 time is a level and another spike at 8:30. Right on. So, I wonder who attacked the Saudi Arabia pipeline. Interesting. What happened to the ceasefire? Is it on a ceasefire they don't attack, right? Hold on. Does anybody know? In a ceasefire, do they don't attack, or they do? Oh, that's right. Ceasefire, they do keep attacking each other. That's right. I always forget the rules. Ceasefire means they do still attack, right? Or they don't. Would be hilarious if they took this back down to 24,400. I don't know if hilarious is the right word. I will say my LTP kind of enjoyed the pump ski, you know, the kind of woke up in a good mood about that. But hey, if it makes you happy, let's do it. Let's go back down to 24,400. Found the guy without the 401k or long-term portfolio. It'd be hilarious if everything went back down, wouldn't it? Fuck those retards with their 401ks. It would be hilarious. Ribs, I used to trade Funded Seat when they only had Rhythmic, still made 2 payouts, love the rules, glad to hear they made it on Trade Seat, now they're good and pay quick if you haven't got a payout yet. We're very close, brother. Happy to hear that. I just got to get over the buffer. Once I get over the buffer, the Bruce buffer, and then we'll do it. Cease the day, start fires. Yes, cease the day, start the fires. The fire rises, yes. I think this pump is irrational exuberance. 6 weeks of choking off oil, fertilizer, food, etc. will have lasting repercussions. All we can do is just trade what's in front of us at the end of the day. Market wants to pump and we think it's silly. I mean, you could either sit there and hate it or ride it, you know? You know, I think it was said best by the ladies at the Bunny Ranch. They said, even though I hate it, I'll still get on and ride it. And I think there's some really sage advice in those words. I'm just here to make money, you know? Right now, I don't think we have much of an opportunity in this chop until we have maybe a little shift in the winds here. So, yeah, let me jot that down here. Johnny says, were you wearing fucking bell bottoms last night? What? Is there a follow-up to that question? What's the follow-up? Where are we going with this? No follow-up. Okay. I was wearing whatever you wanted me to wear last night. Was this in your dreams, Chandi? Oh, man. Trump took all my thunder out of trading today. Well, you know, what were you hoping for? Some news in a few seconds? No, there's no bottom of the hour news, brother. Nothing. The only pieces of news that we have today, I think 10 a.m. is the first one. Let me see. Nope, 10:30. We get oil and distillate inventories, gas inventories. At 1 p.m., we're going to get the 10-year note auction, which I know Big How is looking forward to. And then at 2 p.m., we get the March FOMC minutes. Hegseth. Pointless. Nothing. Okay. At 2 p.m., we get the March FOMC meeting minutes. Now, if you understand what that means that it's April 8th. You're like, wait, what, March? Yes, we had an FOMC meeting in March where we held rates and Jerome Powell released a dot plot, the SEP, Summary of Economic Projections, the dot plot, where he basically said that maybe we get one cut this year, maybe not. I think the SEP said one cut by December. I'm pretty sure. If I can recall, it was just so lackluster that I didn't really care. So the meeting minutes will come out. I do not expect that we will have any new fresh information out of those meeting minutes, so I don't expect that to move the market. We do get at 1:05 Mary Daly, who used to be a voter, is no longer a voting member of the FOMC. She's going to be speaking, but she's giving a keynote speech. Unimportant. At 2:35 p.m., we're going to hear from Christopher Waller, who is a voter, but he's going to be doing like another speaking engagement. It's not going to be like, hey, by the way, listen to me. It's what is it? Some state university student achievement conference, like he's not going to sit up there and be like, all right, guys, no, I'm supposed to deliver some inspiring words, but let's talk about the economy. No. So today is going to be one of those days that is, in my opinion, reliant only on breaking news and technicals. That's it. Omakase says, morning rips up $32,000 on 150 Alpha Advance, 2 days till payout. Let's fucking go. Omakase, let me ask you a real question here. How do you feel about Alpha? Are you enjoying trading on Alpha? I know I am. I fucking love those things. Yeah, so just understand, like, if you're expecting, like, the day's story to be shaped by planned news releases, I think you're wrong. Rips, I heard the tail end of you explaining a prop firm rules that is better than TPT. Can you please tell me which prop you're talking about? Thank you. Absolutely. Right here at the bottom of your stream, it's coming. It's coming. Hold on. Where is it? There it is. Hold on. Get this one out of the way here. Yeah. There it is. It's Funded Seat. Funded Seat, 68% off with code RIPS. Funded Seat allows you to trade basically any platform you want. I trade on TradeC because it's goated. It's like TradingView on steroids. And TPT, 5 days to pass. Funded Seat, 2 days to pass. TPT, trailing drawdown when you get to funded. Funded Seat, end of day drawdown. Can I trade on Ninja? You can. I'll allow it. Yes, you can. So the only difference between TPT and Funded Seat is that TPT, you can take out $10,000 per account in a single session. Funded Seat caps you at $2,500 per account in a single session. However, I beg you to ask the question of yourself, about how many times have you hit $10,000 in a day regularly per account? Let's be honest with ourselves, right? Rips discount is for one account or more accounts. Let me just confirm that right now. Let's see. Is the additional 20% off for only their first account or all accounts they buy? I'm asking the source. Isn't TPT 10K per user per day? No, it's 10K per account per day. So you can essentially get $50,000 minus their 20%, which is 10K. You could withdraw $40,000 in a single session. But they'll move you to TPT Pro Plus, and then you get 90%, 10%. But, okay, only the first account. Thank you for clearing that up. The 20% additional is only for your first account. After that, it's back to 60% off. So it goes from 68% off, you lose the 8% extra, 60% off. So there you go. Funded Seed is a new prop from Correct. They've been around for 8 months and they have never missed a payout. Never once have they missed a payout. They've never denied a payout. They've never missed a payout. They've been around for 8 months. The problem is I like a bunch of garbage all over my screen. TradeC doesn't let me do that since it's RIPS key levels anymore. Yeah. They do have indicators, but they don't have RIPS key levels yet. So hopefully soon. What their biggest payout has been so far? Well, given that they, given that the max payout is $2,500 and it's a 90% split, I'll tell you right now what their biggest payout is. Ready? $11,250. The most you can get on a withdrawal is $2,500 per account. They take a 10% for their cut. So the biggest payout is $11,250. You have a daily loss limit on Funded Seat, though. Yeah, that's the thing I hate about prop firms is they don't allow you to draw down infinitely. It's kind of annoying. I wish they would get rid of that. Wait, what do you mean, dude? You can add custom indicators? How? How do I get the RIPS key levels in there? No, but seriously, I'm not trying to make fun of you. What's the, what would you prefer instead of a daily loss limit? What are we supposed to have? 50K of drawdown to 50K. Well, got some bad news for you. Love the daily loss limit. Saved me from blowing my account multiple times. Hey, if it's any consolation, the Apex daily loss limit actually saved me from blowing my accounts, and those are now only $2,500 away for passing. Any Funded Seat giveaway accounts this week? Let me see if we're allowed to. I think there should be no daily loss limit. If you want to burn your account, burn the account. I mean, hold on. I was just looking at the rules and they're actually like, I'm pretty sure these are fucking huge. Let me just double check. I think my daily loss limit in this thing is $4,500, bro. Let me see. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, in my one step daily, $2,000 daily loss limit. I mean, no, I know. Don't jinx the Apex accounts. I know. Yeah. So there you go. There's another difference. So TPT does not have a daily loss limit. You are correct. So TPT does not have a daily loss limit. However, you know, technically speaking, I do have $7,000 of drawdown if I wanted to continue trading today. But yeah, you know. Wait, hold on. So let me ask you this. If I add my indicator to TradeC, will other people be able to use it, or is it just for is it just only for me? Does that daily loss limit ever go away above the buffer? Does it go away? Let me see. Does the daily loss limit ever go away if you make money past the buffer? Let's see. TPT wants you to fail. They don't have any risk controls whatsoever. James thrives off of Pro resets. Well, the Pro Plus is kind of the risk control because they're getting 10% of whatever you make, I guess. I don't know, man. No, the daily loss limit does not ever go away if you make money past the buffer. So it's a hard limit. So on 25K, 750, 50K, 1,000, 100K, 1,500, 150K, 2,000. Those are your daily loss limits. Does anyone know what the max payout for the 25K? Yes. Okay, let me tell you. 25K daily one-step account is $500 maximum payout per day, per account. There you go. Out of all the prop accounts, which is the closest to trading real account? Alpha. If I'm being honest, Alpha. But they're, you know, you got to pay to play. Like I pay $1,000 for my 5 accounts, activated, the whole shebang, top to bottom. It's $1,000. But like Alpha, like dude, like Alpha's insane, bro. Like I had like $90,000 of drawdown before I took my $21,000 payout. I've never had a bigger payout this year from a prop firm. Alpha paid me $21,000 and it was a 5 trading day stint. Like I traded for 5 days and I got a $21,000 payout. So that's my biggest single payout from a single prop firm. And I traded 5 days, dude. $21,000 in 5 days is, I don't care how rich you are. That's fucking insane. For fucking trading sim contracts. It's kind of insane. Oh, and by the way, the other thing is that Alpha, if you guys are like actually like looking to level up and not play the prop firm game, Alpha actually has a program where they're, and this is real, by the way. This is not something like, oh, we're thinking about introducing this. No, Alpha's been around for 6 years and they come from the traditional trading world. They are literally, I had a conversation with the owner about this. They're literally, and I know this might spook some of you out a little bit. Don't get scared if you're already trading and like, you're like fucking, oh fuck, I've been trading like shit. Alpha is literally watching every single trader with an algorithm to find their best traders and literally give them real capital to trade with. That's automatic. Every single person that uses Alpha, every single person that is trading on Alpha, they're literally watching every single account with an algorithm that sorts through their best traders, the people who have like the best win rates, the best risk management, everything. And they're literally like, they offer people live capital to trade with. And they do it from day one. The moment that you buy an account, day one. Oh, I know what I need to do here, guys. Here, sorry about that. Better? Is that better, guys? There you go. Sorry. I was on the Big Daddy Max show. Sorry about that, guys. Forgot. So yeah, on Alpha, that's the other thing. Like Alpha is the closest to trading real capital for sure. But like, don't be spooked if you've been trading like shit. It's for the lifetime that you're trading with them. But they are literally watching every single trader on their network. And if you are like a rock star trader, and I think it's like, I think they're looking at like a minimum of 3-month track record or something like that. But like they are known to, if you are like killing it, and you're like good risk management, not fucking blowing through evals and like trading really, really well, they've been known to offer people live capital. And this is not like, well, maybe we're going to start doing. No, they've been doing this. They've been around for 6 years. I've not looked at E8. I think they've reached out to me, but I haven't responded back. No, I haven't looked at E8. What happened to that 50K loss in Alpha because of Trade Evade? Oh, that was on TPT, brother. That was months ago. Nothing, literally nothing. They're like, they never responded about it. I was like, fuck it. It was $55,000, brother. 55K. That's fucking as good as gone, broski. Any hint that Alpha is going to have Trade C? They have Alpha Trader coming, and it was supposed to, it's just going to take time. This week, next week, the following week. Alpha Trader is like Trade C. Almost identical. So. Can you cash out the gamble? Yeah, up or down? Is it aboves or belows? Is it aboves or belows? Tell me. Belows, unders? Okay. Wait, hold on. Above? Mr. B512 said it's above. Wait, which one is it, guys? Unders or belows? It's unders? Does somebody need a timeout? Mr. B, do you need a timeout? All right, I'm paying the unders. I hope you guys are right. I'm not even looking. I trust you guys blindly. Golly. All right, let's do a 9061. Guys violate my trust every freaking day. All right, let's do this one. 1 minute for this next prediction. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, Andreas says, going to be requesting my third free payout from them tonight. Did get denied a payout on my 25K zero for being in a losing trade for 5 minutes on April 1st for core retail. My fault for not realizing that counted as news. Thought it was only major news like TPT. Gotcha. So that's alpha. Dude, third payout. Let's go. Wait, what do you mean free? Third free payout? Did you win an account or something? Did you win an account? And that's like... Did you actually like win an... Holy shit. Yo, give it up for Andreas. Dude won an account in here and he's got his third payout all for free. Hasn't paid a single dime in an alpha. That's insane. Holy shit. Let's go. That's freaking awesome, man. Does Funded Seat have internal wallet similar to TBT? No. I think they do pay in crypto, though. Do they? Wait, hold on. Let me see. I don't want to speak out of turn. Payouts. Let me see. Payout methods. Yeah, crypto, ACH, bank transfer, wire. Bang. Dude, they pay out in crypto. That's dope. That's fucking sick. No, they don't pay wise. So crypto, which is USDC, ACH or wire for all US customers, or bank transfer for international customers. So like Swift. Alpha's a little strict with their news policies, huh? I don't know. I mean, I think just major releases. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Let me go check their FAQ. Let me see. Alpha. Let's see. Help Center FAQ. Wait, no. Before I even check, the advanced accounts, you can trade whatever the fuck you want. Before I even check. That's why I don't know about this policy. Advanced, there's no laws when you're drinking the claws. Advanced, you can do whatever the fuck you want. On the zero accounts, there's restrictions. Yeah, it's only the zero accounts. Yeah, there you go. So the advanced accounts are basically like, all right, we trust you. Do whatever the fuck you want type shit. What is going on here, market? What are you doing without us? Come on, you fucker. Son of a bitch. No clue. Again, fuck. I don't know what's going on. I'm not getting any breaking news this morning. What is happening? Are they dying at BT or something? BT got acquired by Truth Social. What the fuck? How do I fix this? Multi-bracket orders are not supported in group mode error. You can't trade brackets in group mode on Tradeovate. Welcome to Tradeovate. It's shitty here. Enjoy your stay. First cargo ship passed through the strait. The fact that you're getting breaking news before me makes me really fucking worried about what's going on here. I can't believe that I'm not getting any of it. Do I have something to... I'm not, like, what is going on today? Why am I not getting any news? Do I have something deselected? I don't have any filters on. What the fuck is happening? I'm not getting breaking news today, boys and girls. Financial juice is beating BT right now. What the fuck? Or I'm just like blind or something. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Maybe they forgot to keep my subscription active or something. I don't know. Ribs, how did you like the BDM show? Those guys are hilarious, man. It's funny. Is what Alpha Futures? You want the link for Alpha? Here. Alpha. There you go. Nightbot, hello. Nightbot never listens to me. Oh, there we go. Live Squawk is beating BT. Dude, I don't know what's going on today. Maybe my shit's all fucked up. I don't know. Ribs, for the funded seat, is there a buffer to reach for payout? Yes. You have to, there's a buffer. Let me tell you what the buffers are. The Bruce buffers. Okay. Where's the fucking thing? Okay, the buffers. 1,100 on a 25K, 2,100 on a 50K, 2,600 on a 100K, 4,100 on a 150K. Do you still like Tradeify? Yes, but like I have to limit how many accounts I trade, otherwise they're just gonna be dormant. Like, brother, I haven't traded Apex in 2 days. if I have like 6 live prop firm accounts, like I literally don't have enough to trade. Like I don't have enough market to trade. I have an overload of prop firms. So I try to limit me to about 4 prop firms. Right now I have Alpha, Funded Seat, TPT, and Apex. Those are my 4. Oh, and Lucid. Fuck. I have 5. Dude, see? When I forget about how many prop firms I have, like that's not a good thing. So I'll go back to Tradeify when I have room for it. Tradeify is fantastic, dude. Obviously. But we all know about Tradeify, right? Any other questions about Funded Seed or Alpha? It seems like a lot of people are green on these props in the sense that you folks aren't sure about them yet or don't know about them. Any buffer requirements for Alpha? Hold on, I should know this. Oh no, it's 5 winning days of $200 or more. They don't have to be consecutive, and you can have losing days. As long as you show 5 winning days of $200 or more, you can take a payout. And again, I trade on the Alpha Advanced accounts, and those are, if I have to say out of every single prop firm that I trade, I would say I'm pretty sure that those are the closest to trading in a cash account, because like realistically, like withdrawing $45,000 is like what you would withdraw from a cash account if you're killing it. Live Squawk is going off right now. Oh, wow, I just got it. Fucking literally 50 seconds ago. I don't know, maybe Iranian media has like some kind of deal with Bloomberg or something. Reportedly, the first commercial ship has passed through the Strait of Hormuz since the ceasefire. The ship is not identified in the report. Maybe they wanted to confirm it or something? I don't know. BT is very careful about that stuff sometimes. Would you ever recommend building a buffer before doing a payout right away? In which accounts? We're talking about so much right now. We got to be very clear. Alpha Advance is the same as Lucid Flex? No. I don't think so. Can you withdraw $45,000 from Flex? That would be news to me. I would be trading a Lucid Flex right now if that was the case. I don't think that's the case. Let me see. Lucid Flex. Okay, let me see. Wait, do I have Lucid? I don't even remember which ones I have. Hold on, let me see. Funded rules. Days to pay out. How? Let me see. I gotta go to their FAQ. Lucid Flex. Payouts. Okay. Yeah, it's up to $3,000, bro. Big difference here. You can withdraw with 5 accounts, $15,000, or with 3 accounts, $45,000. Little bit different there, buddy. Just a little $30,000. We'll call that an accounting error. A little slight difference of $30,000. So yeah. Sorry if you answered the question about how to use TradeC on Funded Seat when it's not a platform option. It is. It's literally like you click the box. Alpha pays up to $45,000 per every 5 trading days. Yes, they cap at $45,000. That's why I love Alpha, dude. And I'm never looking at like, oh boy, I should cut this trade because my consistency. Like I'm just like trading it. I kind of wish I would have been trading it alongside this one yesterday, but I was just, it was too much fun. But how does one even get to a 15K payout? Most I've gotten was barely 3K. I mean, sometimes you just got to put your dick on the table and just slam it. I don't know. You can trade 15 contracts in the 150K accounts. It's doable, brother. If you don't think that you could get to that much money trading 15 contracts over 5 trading days with this kind of market, brother, please. You can trade metals too, right? 15 contracts in metals will get you there real quick if you're on the right side. It'll also blow your account real quick. How much in prop firm payouts have you pulled in this year or last month? Last month was 40 or 50,000 last month, I think. 40 or 50,000 last month. What platform are you using on Alpha? Tradeovades, because Alpha Trading is not out yet. Alpha Trader is not out yet. Yeah, it's not hard to get 30K profit in 5 days trading 15 contracts. It's not. It's really not. Dude, 15 contracts is crazy amounts. That's 3K per 10 pack. 10 points gets you 3K. 100 points gets you 30K. You get a 100-point move with full size. Bang, you're done. Not saying you should trade like this, but you're saying like, oh, how could I ever get there? I hope you enjoyed the pitch no catch tag on Insta. I tagged you. I haven't seen it. Tried putting my dick on the table. Rest assured, I'm not allowed to do that in the restaurant anymore. Why not? What did they say? You think Funded Seat will get Trade Evade accounts? Don't they have it? Pretty sure they have it, don't they? Let me see. No, they don't have it. They have Volumetrica, Deep Charts, Deep Dom. What the fuck is that? Quantower, Atos, Rhythmic, Motive Wave, Bookmap, and Sierra. So on Rhythmic, you could do I guess Ninja Trader. Which alpha accounts do you like best? The advanced, 150K advanced. Those are my favorite. Deep Dom is a Bookmap competitor? How dare they? Deep Dom sounds like a guy named Dominic that stars in porn. That's a horrible name for a trading software. It's from Deep Charts? Dude, what is their obsession? Oh, yeah. What do you want to call your platform? I don't know. Should we call it Chartworks? No. Hold on. Give me a second. I'll call you back. I got to go on this incognito browser real quick. 5 minutes later, let's call it Deep Charts and Deep Dom. What? Have you tried that new trading software? We call it Glory Hole. I trade on my favorite platform. It's called Jizz Blaster. I'm going to create a charting software called Jizz Blaster. Why'd you name it that? No comment. Like, what the fuck? Deep Dom? Come on, dude. The fuck are you guys talking about? Good Lord. Get the fuck out of here. It's so ridiculous, dude. It's fucking names. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to have Trade Evade in the future. Trade Evade also charges a licensing fee. Is it possible to trade through TradingView with Funded Seat? You can trade on Trade C, which is a TradingView skin. And TradingView with other props is dog shit. Trade C with props is amazing. Trade C, Funded Seat, TradingView, Trade C. Trade C you can trade on Trade Evade, Funded Seat. Let me see if I can do this. And Lucid Trading. Those three. Bang. Why don't you use iceberg orders? Who said I didn't, brother? What are you talking about? This again. Why did your dad pull out before coming in your mother to make you? Impossible. Why are we asking questions that are impossible? Phil's on Trade C can be horrendous at times. Only thing Trade Evade does better. I wouldn't say that. Why didn't you trade NQ? I don't know. It's just too fast for me, man. Don't blow your account. Blast it with Jizz Blaster Pro. That's my favorite copy trading program is Jizz Blaster Pro. What the fuck? Do you trade gold? Yes. Hey, Rips, please can you explain the primer concept? I did watch the YouTube video, but not sure I get that concept. That's actually coming out in another long form video, so stay tuned for that. I think it's releasing on Saturday, actually. Let me see. Oh, God, I can't see right now. Hold on. Yeah, probably, I think Saturday is when it comes out. In alpha, they allow you only to withdraw 50% of your profits. Think that's a big difference with TPT. Well, I mean, like I said, there's gives and takes for everything. TPT, you still have to go get over a buffer, and the buffer is trailing drawdown. If the trailing drawdown was easy to get through, let's be honest, TPT would not be in business. It's hard, but it should be hard, right? We want prop firms to stay around. And once you get over the buffer in TPT, once you get over the trailing drawdown, it's fucking goated, right? I only promote prop firms that I think are worthwhile, right? I think TPT is worthwhile. You'll hear me talking about like, oh, I like alpha, but then I also do like TPT. I like FOMC, but then I do like TPT. Like I like all the prop firms that I promote, but there's gives and takes for all of them, man. TPT is the closest to personal account once you get out of the buffer. Yes, once you get out of the buffer, for sure. Getting out of the buffer could be hard, though. Dude, I had a fucking set of TPT accounts, and I didn't get out of the buffer. It sucks. It's annoying. I hate it. But I'm trying again. I'm on day 2 of my TPTs. What setting do you do to get the volume bubbles to look like that? I mean, out of the buffer. Oh, turn off, what are the fucking smoothing thing? Vertical smoothing. Turn off vertical smoothing. That's it. I mean, dude, you trust me, you don't want your book map to look like mine. It's not anything special. God, why didn't we just long out of the lows there? God damn it. The buffer for TPT and funded is complete bullshit. I mean, but again, if they didn't have it, they wouldn't be in business, brother. That's the give and the take. It's all something. There's always something, man. Does trade counter column or quotes column help in finding neither? I mean, if you really are that concerned about icebergs, just get the iceberg out on. Just get the MBO package and get the iceberg out on, and it'll show you exactly when an iceberg order type hits the tape. Simple as that. Rips, I'm stuck in a cycle of blow a few accounts, then focus up to be patient, and then take some good trades and pull a couple of payouts, then blow my funded, chasing the gains. Rinse and repeat. I'm stuck at net break even, and it's frustrating, even tilting at times. The last couple of years have been extremely taxing. I see the immense progress, but feeling stuck. Do I need a break or do I keep grinding? That's actually, I mean, it's a good question. I mean, you have to understand. So I compare it to like, you know, I traded cash in the beginning. I never, any money that I put in my account was like money going out, and it's like you're not getting little pieces back unless you're taking withdrawals from your account. So, and I was not like taking pieces back in withdrawals. I was like waiting for bigger chunks for withdrawals. So when I hit break even, I felt really good about it because I was so used to losing early on in the career. So, I don't know. It's you got to have like a personal feel on that. How many years have you been trading? Rips, I'm looking for a prop firm straight to funded for. Stop. Yeah, me too. I'm looking for that one too. I'm looking for the one that gives you free evaluations, no money to pay for activation, no profit targets, infinite drawdown, and you can use 100 contracts out the gates, minis, and there's no payout caps, and you can take payouts every hour. I'm looking for that one. This is year 3. Yeah, that's like right around the time I started breaking. I mean, I feel like you're in line with pretty close to where I was. So you're not making money. You're breaking even. I get the frustration, but like, what are you in a rush for, by the way? So that's a good question to ask yourself. Why you're frustrated because you want it to work. What are you in a rush for? If you think like trading is going to go anywhere, you're crazy. Trading isn't going to go anywhere. I used to think like that. I was like, oh man. Before COVID even hit, I was like, oh man, like when the 2016 stuff, I started discovering what news trading was. I was like, oh man, when this goes away, I'm going to be so bummed. It doesn't go away, man. Markets rotate, cycles and things like that, but the markets are never going away. So ask yourself the question, you're only 3 years in. What the hell are you in a rush for? Like, you're like, oh man, I'm so close to being profitable. I'm so close. Bro, I'm like, do you think I wake up every single day and I'm like, I'm going to shit money today? Like I wake up every day and I'm like, I still have to prove to myself that I got this. And like the market can still fuck you up. You know what I mean? So it's like, you never arrive in trading, right? I get it. You want to be profitable, but you never fucking arrive in trading. So again, like, what are you in a rush for? You're 3 years in. You're a little baby. You're just a little baby. What are you in a rush for, man? Like, you're 3 years in. It's a fucking journey. The trading's forever a journey, bro. You know what I mean? So it's like I hear your message and everything, but it's like, You're making money, but like, as long as you're not causing yourself serious financial harm and you're just going with emotion, and then you drop this whole idea of like, oh man, I'm almost profitable. You never arrive at profitability, because once you get there, it's like, you're like, you got to maintain that shit. Bro, I've had a profitable year followed by like 3, 4, 5, 6 unprofitable months, brother. Like, there's no like arriving like, oh, thank God I figured this shit out. It's time to buy Ferraris every week. Fuck yeah, I'm forever rich now because I figured out this trading thing. You never arrive in trading, dude. Do you like the 01X? Not really, no. Personally, no. But hey, 1,000 horsepower, cool. Has Carlos bothered you lately? No, he's pretty quiet. I mean, his mom is a very loud woman, but she always like he'll burst in the room sometimes, and I don't even have to say a word. She'll just turn around and be like, Carlos, get out. I never have to say a word. She's really good about that. What else? I don't even remember at this point. I don't even remember. I feel bad for the new Carloses that come in here and it's like, who the fuck is this guy talking about my mother? Chuck Torius says, I started props in February. March was my first 4K month. Hey, let's go. But yeah, remember that for you folks that are not Edio, or I think it was Edio who's talking about the, you know, I'm frustrated and all that. I never, ever, 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 ever get the feeling of like, man, I've got this shit and it's smooth sailing. I wish it was like that. Dude, go watch every fucking stream that I did from last year. If you think like I'm just like cool as a cucumber, you can see when I'm in trades. It's fucking intense focus and concentration because that's real money on the line. And you're like, fuck, I'm nervous. I'm scared. There's always a level of fear and anxiety when you're in a trade. You're putting on risk, dude. At any moment, you can fucking lose a shit ton of money and it sucks. Like that feeling of uneasiness never goes away. The only time that you never feel that feeling is like when you're balls deep in profit and you're still holding it. But even then, like, dude, I've had profitable trades where it's like, you get so fucked on them. You're never, ever, ever feeling this sense of like, all good, you know? The vein. That's funny. Like, dude, I'm just telling you, like, there's 12 years into this, I never, ever, ever feel like all good, man. I wish it was like, that'd be so dope. It's less fear from when you first started, but it's never, you never feel like all good, man. Whee, I got this so easy. How do you control your anger while trading? I had a big problem with my anger while I was in the first 2 or 3 or 4 years. I got really frustrated. I would be screaming, brother. Like actually, not like the whole fucking being on the stream and having a fun time screaming. I'm talking like screaming. Like, fuck you. Like actually upset. Fucking bullshit. How they dumping on me? Yeah, dude, it takes time. If you're emotional, there's some people who just don't have emotions with stuff like this, and God bless them. But like, you know, it's hard. It's very hard. It's very hard. Hey, I caught you live. What's up? Arnold, one less S, one less reach. How you doing, buddy? Sometimes yelling moves the market. Yeah. No, dude, I'll have fun with this show. You know, I'm a streamer. It's pretty boring if I don't have fun with the stream. But yeah, you know, I get emotional every single day still. I mean, not every day, but you know, when I'm trading real money, there's always emotions on the line to some degree. We're not robots. I'm 12 years in, man. I'm just trying to shoot you guys straight. Maybe there's other people out there that are just fucking, I'm probably dog shit or something. And like, there's other people out there like, dude, I'm 5 years in. I'm a fucking robot, bro. This guy sucks dick. I make 10 million a year, 10 million a month. Like, I don't know, man. All I can talk about is my own experience. I never wake up and feel like, yep, time to fucking just milk this shit for trillions. I'm like, hey, I got to prove it again. You know, this guy fucking sucks. Yeah, probably. When we started 12 years ago, there wasn't really anybody watching Learn From. That's true. I mean, I didn't pay attention to anything anyway. I was on Twitter for sure, but like I didn't pay attention to shit. There wasn't like trading influencers or anything that I paid attention to at least. Ross Cameron was, I think, the first person I ever came across. And I'd like people hate Ross Cameron. I think Ross Cameron's a fucking goat, dude. I love that guy. Even though like some people can argue like blah, 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 front runs his fucking trading room and all that shit. But it's like he puts real risk out there. He loses real money. He makes real money. It's all real. I got respect for Ross. I like that guy. He's cool, man. He's a family man. He's a nice guy. He's a good guy. But yeah, I think Ross was the first person that I found. I don't think I've ever actually paid for any kind of trading material ever. Yeah, I've never paid for a trading course ever in my life. I used to watch Ross's free streams. I never like followed him in any trades that I can remember or anything, but yeah, I don't know. Never paid for anything. Been doing this for 12 years. Still feel like a level of anxiety and nerves every single day. It's, you know, the days that I don't trade my cash account, less nerves, obviously, you know. Overs? Yeah, I read a lot of books. For sure, I've read a lot of books. Who do you watch 8 years ago? Axia Future? Never seen Axia Futures. Do you remember the Asian guy, Ran or Tao? Oh, Rainer Tio. No, that guy was a scammer. Dude, there's so many fucking fake ass paper traders back in the day. There's still a bunch of fake ass paper. ICT comes to mind. But yeah, there's just so many fake ass paper traders out there. It's just, I don't know. I barely pay attention to anybody, to be honest with you. What's your volume profile in TradingView called? Visible range volume profile. Visible range volume profile. By the way, this is not my indicator. My indicator is this one. This is Rip's key levels, available to you for free. I got scammed by him, and after 2 years, he got fined. I had to pay. Are you talking about Rainer Tio? Yes, I was right on that. Wait, hold on. Who's that? Who did you say? Let me see. Ross has been convicted, brother. An FTC fine is not a conviction. What do you throw, dude? He got convicted. No, he had an FTC fine. The FTC is a 3-letter agency that's a bunch of fucking thugs. He got convicted. No, he got an FTC fine because they're a bunch of dipshits. Because he had some marketing verbiage that was a little bit off. He didn't scam anybody, bro. He got convicted. No, the FTC fined him. The FTC is fucking a joke. FTC are the people who are fucking responsible for putting warnings on hairdryer labels. By the way, guys, don't use this thing in the shower. What, really? No kidding. I thought I could save time. Son of a bitch. Why don't you make gaming content? Your anger is so much fun. Missed that big pump last night, caught a small piece of it, but closed early. I struggle with big moves like that because I don't know where to invalidate it. How do you know when to cut it? Do you have a dollar amount stop? No, it's tape reading. If you go back and you watch yesterday's stream, I damn near top ticked the market. I mean, here, look, I'll show you the fucking trade, brother. I'm proud of this one. Here, go to my trade, see. Where is it? Where's my window? Look at this. Look at that. Fucking Ripsy the goat skis. Look at that. Top tick who? Top tick what? Look at that. Imagine if I stuck around and I didn't have to go to Rozzy's birthday party. It's order flow, brother. We had exhaustion. It's never a price. Like, bro, I wish I would have made fucking 50 grand per account. It's never a price. To be honest with you, I'm rarely ever looking at P&L in trades. Like, I have a general idea, but like the last thing that I'm looking at is over at my P&L, because what I've found in the past, at least, I don't think it affects me at all even anymore, but in the past, I used to be like, oh, I'm up 1,000 on this trade, I'll take it off. It's like, that's fucking retarded, right? That's retarded. Like, who knows that you got 1,000 on the trade? You. Who else? You. Who else? You. Market makers don't know. It's all about like, how much size did you take and where's the exhaustion? You know, if you didn't have to leave, would you have held on? No, I would have re-entered either in two areas right here, this breaking area right here, or maybe in this gully of despair, right? Like maybe. But I don't know. Either a breakout here or this gully of despair and like maybe the retracement and then maybe I take off here and then add back. I don't know. I wasn't there. I wasn't watching the flow. I don't want to be disingenuous and tell you some bullshit. But it's all to do with reading the flow. And we had exhaustion up there. We were looking to pierce into 850. We exhausted into 850, so I took it down. That was it. Somehow my Apex account on a $50,000 account has 3,000 in trailing drawdown. How does that happen? Because you bought the trailing drawdown account? I don't know. I have no idea. You can still buy the trailing drawdown accounts. Maybe that's the one that you bought. You never know. It's a crazy world out there. A lot of smells. I got 314 points on that rip, and it was all thanks to Gemini. What's Gemini? I don't know what Gemini. My question didn't get answered. All right, let's look at your question. Okay. Rips, I have a query for your brain. Yesterday you were calling out like, oh, 100 just got sold off at 160 or 200 or 67. How do you see how many orders get filled to hover over the bubble? Well, you can either hover over the bubbles or you see it in real time. I don't know if I understand the question. You were calling out like, oh, 100 just got sold. Yeah, I mean, I'm hovering over the bubbles probably in Bookmap. Yeah. Do you ever look at Gamma? Yes. Do you still trade options at all? In my long-term portfolio is all leaps for the most part. I have some ETFs in there, but yeah, leaps. Leaps are options. What else did I miss? Rips, I wanted to share something you might find interesting and could help others in the community. It's hotkey related. I found an open source program called Anti-Micro-X that lets you map hotkeys to game controllers. I've been using it for a few days with an Xbox controller for my DOM hotkeys to get that fast reaction time. Nice. Anti-Micro-X, there you go. Just make sure it doesn't have any spyware or anything. Where's the button? Which button? Can you check the upgraded Rips indicator? It's not changing the colors of the fonts. Well, you have to do that. So you have to do that. Here's all the colors right here. And you too can paint with the colors of the wind, John Smith. Yeah, you set them yourself. Rips, any opinion on Cameron Foose? He started about this. No, Cameron Foose is a clown. He's a fucking dude. Come on. The guy's a fucking dipshit. Here's the deal. Watch people, if they can trade live in front of your face in real time, they're probably legit, right? If they're trading in front of your face in real time, they're probably legit. People who are like talking about, oh man, I nailed this trade in hindsight. Like, dude, imagine I'm like, guys, I got this amazing trade, but I can't show you the executions. Don't look at this. No. I got a really good trade. It's somewhere. It's over there. You just can't see it. Just trust me. You know, like, dude, we traded this live in Globex in real time. Like, if somebody's not doing that, then they're probably full of it. Is there a trick to get into consistency down in Lucid? Yesterday, I hit the profit target on 4 accounts in one shot. I was in a wild Trump pump. Now I'm at 130%. Yeah, so, okay. We fucked up on our Lucid yesterday because I forgot there's a buffer, right? So here we go. I'll show you exactly how to solve this problem. Okay, so here we go. Let me pull this up. It's very simple. So, profit over buffer balance. So your profit kicks in at 4,600 for the accounts we trade. We're trading the 150K pro accounts. So here's all you have to do, right? The max payout you can take is $3,000. I always want a gun for the max payout because mama didn't raise no bitch, right? So we take the $4,600, which is the buffer balance. We add it to the maximum payout, and then we calculate that by what is the consistency. Consistency is 40% right here. So we calculate that. We multiply by times 0.4%. That gives us the maximum that we can make in a single session is $3,040. Now, given this is for the 150K accounts, what are you trading on Yoma? What size accounts are you trading on? I'll calculate it for you in real time. Don't be shy, Yoma. We're all friends here, I promise. 50K flex. Okay. Let's see. 50K lucid flex. Okay. Wait, flex don't have consistency. What are you talking? Fucker. All right. You trolls have no chill, man. God damn it. Fuck you. God. I don't know why I fall for the bait sometimes. I don't know why I try to fucking... I get baited. Fucking jebaited every time. Oh, you're talking about an eval. Brother. Come on. Eval is a 50% consistency. Take your profit target and divide it by 2. I know. Fucking insane math. Oh, God. Jesus. Hey, bro, let me ask you a question. I'm trading in an evaluation. It says 50% consistency. What do they mean by that? When they say... Come on, man. Can't be real. How can mirrors be real when our eyes aren't real? Famous philosopher Jaden Smith said that one. Dude, come on. Most people who trade live charge subscriptions to enter trading room. Not me. You're here, buddy. Wait, quick, check your credit card statement. Fuck, I got you. Yeah! Fuck! You got me! Shit. All right, channel points gamble. What do you guys want? Up or down? Is it above or below? Tell me. Is it aboves or belows? Overs? 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 Up? Overs? Okay. I'm paying the overs. There you go. Paying the overs. I don't give a shit. You guys tell me, I'll pay it. All right, let's do one more. One more. We're going to do 5 minutos. Let's do this. All right. There we go. All right, I'm going to be right back. We got 7 minutes till the open. I'll be right back with you. Do not go anywhere. Guys, I think I found a new fan today. You guys have to see this. This is actually so fucking hilarious. Oh my word. Hold on. Holy shit. This is so good. All right, hold on. We got to set it up first. Okay. So if you guys know, RIPS key levels, the indicator on your screen, our free indicator. Free indicator. We basically took Spaceman BTC. We improved it. We added session times, mids, all this good shit, right? Added to it. I woke up this morning. I saw a comment. I didn't even pay any mind of it. This person might be my new biggest fan. And it's one of those people who's like, you know, I've always liked RIPS, but this is crossing the line. You remember this dipshit? Remember this guy? Hold on, let me show you. Remember this fucking, where was this guy? This fucking retard. Did you steal the source code from Spaceman BTC then take credit for it? Yours? There's nothing different when you overlay your indicator with Spaceman BTC. Just saying. Remember that dipshit, right? This guy today woke up and he goes, I reported this to the mods. Not sure how they let this slip through to begin with. I've also lost respect for RIPS for doing this. And then I was just got a notification about a comment on my channel. And then we got this guy. Did you just rip off Spaceman BTC and then lock down their code? Totally against open source community rules and possibly illegal. How did TradingView mods even approve this? Can you imagine, by the way, having this much time on your hands to be a full-time hater? How the fuck do people have this much time on their hands to be a full-time hater? Tell you what, guys, if you leave a comment to that guy, I will give the most upvoted comment to that guy a free Lucid account today. It's in the TradingView. If you just do the levels. I used to love RIPS, but this is the last straw. Honestly, I reported him to the mods, and I hope that somebody goes to his house and murders him in his sleep. Frankly speaking, he should be arrested immediately. Honestly, I can't stand people like this. I've lost so much respect for him. It's illegal what he's doing. He should be... Holy shit, dude. How do people have this much time on their hands to be a full-time hater? Like, dude. Fucking hate this guy. Anyway, top comment responding to Virtual Quant. Top comment on both. I'll do two free accounts. Top comment responding to Virtual Quant. The most upvoted comment is going to get a free Lucid account. All right, we got 30 seconds till the open. 30 seconds to Boomtown, ladies and gentlemen. 30 seconds to Boomtown. If it wasn't meant to be replicated or modified, it wouldn't be open source. Oh my God, we found the guy with a brain. Holy shit. Wait, you mean to tell me that people who are modifying versions of Linux aren't going to jail? What? You said what? No way. All right, markets are open. I don't believe you. I can't believe that they're not putting people who modified Linux in jail. That's insane. Wow, look at this fucking... I don't believe you. Holy shit, what a pop and drop here. We're trading NQ right now, baby. NQ, and I'm getting a shit ton of lag. This is crazy. A lot of order matching up there, huh? What do we trade? Do we try to trade our Apex? Do we go for it? I kind of want to dip our toes in Apex. Make sure you select the copy group first. Oh God, they tried to deselect it. Make sure you change the quantity to 20. Okay, we're set. Okay, I'm gonna well, that's nope. That's nothing happened. I tried to short, nothing happened. Hello? Okay, there we go. We shorted. Dow Jones knocking on 48,000. Got the neighbors knocking on the doors, baby. We are still trailing this lower. And we are still dipping in a little bit lower here. I'm gonna just take that off. I feel like there's gonna be a bounce and reversal here. Here, I gotta change this to how much drawdown I have left for the day. No, it doesn't update. Interesting. I wish they would have it go up above 2,000. Anyway, so we need to make $1,100 more to pass these things. Or no, $2,100 more. All right, these are the big lows that we're trying to sweep right now. Huge lows here. Massive lows. There's the bounce. Massive lows there. That's the previous 4-hour low that I used from my illegal indicator. I think they're actually going to go after everybody who's using the indicator too. I feel like the police have been notified. They're going out. They're going to convict you guys. They're coming after you. It's an illegal indicator. It's illegal. Holy shit. The FBI, open up. We see that you have a trading view indicator. We're here to prosecute. Dude, I can't believe that shit. That's too funny. All right, 150s are trading here. We are bouncing directly off of the previous 4-hour low. I don't know if I trust this thing anymore to the downside because we're not breaking that area of price. We're currently holding at 150s. We're kind of building up a little bit of strength. Let's see here. Just doing a little bit of a rinse. A bit of a rinse. We're testing those lows again. Are we going to break them? We're making a new profile down here. S&Ps have a little bit of liquidity. We are seeing equities starting to roll a bit. Well, they are holding this area of price. I mean, that was a huge sweep of liquidity there to the top side to open things up. I just don't know if the market has figured itself out yet. We're just dancing in this lower area of consolidation for the time being. Makes me kind of want to be hands off. That's why I picked Apex. These are the ones I actually care about the least because Trade Evade and their API rate limit shit. So I have a pecking order of accounts and these are on the lowest of the pecking order. These are the ones I care the least about. So now we are auctioning much higher here. Seeing on a pullback if we can nail this. Coming out of that gully of despair and rejecting. Boy, this is just so wishy-washy. We're holding 150s. I'm going to try a long here out of this. 2 contracts on. I want to see a breakout above 170 here. I will add on pullbacks since we do have a little touch of drawdown to work with. What did it fill me at, by the way? I guess much lower. Okay, adding one there. Looking for this to trade up. Through 175 now. We need to break that 175 area of price. We need to break out 6830 in the S&Ps as well. We're right now just dancing underneath that 175. I can try a little scalp here. Watch, I'm going to try to scalp above that 170 and pull that out. So watching for 170 to trade here. If we can get that little pop above 170, I'll peel off my ads and then we'll be working with a lower average. We're just dancing at 150s right now. We might have one more dive of liquidity, build up some bids, and then go higher. So that's definitely a concern here. And let's see. 165s are the new line in the sand, I suppose. Okay, watching 170. Can we peel off some at 170? They're really not going to give us 170, are they? Waiting. There we go. Peeling off a little bit there, down to 3 contracts, down to 2 contracts. I'm sorry, that's 1. Down to 1 contract now. Okay, 175s. Can we get that facing higher here? We're coming out of this volume shelf. Now, let's see if we can ride this a little bit higher. 200s are going to be a big point of contention here, so we can try to add on pullbacks since we are in the profit pretty deeply here. 163 average. I wouldn't say deep, actually. It's this fucking market is moving very fast, so. Okay, adding one here above 165, looking for 170s to trade. Adding again, looking for 180s to take out. We will add on a pop above 180s if we can get there. It's right now hesitating a little bit at those 180s. Looking for that continuation and then basically aiming for a little test of 200s here. 68.28 is a big line in the sand too. So just trying to time this. Building an upper volume shelf there at 175. Let me see if we can have a pullback to 150 and we can add into this. Looking for the pop back above 170 now. Okay, adding into that pop here. Looking for that big rollout above into that 180 area again of price. God, they're just not doing it. No follow through today, huh? And stopped out. No follow through. Unfortunate. Trying to add into those pullbacks, but we're just not getting. It's just like, look at this. We're just fighting and fighting. I was hoping that we'd get that little pop above 200 and we would have passed the accounts, but it'll be another couple days. Another couple days. It's now, what is it? $4,000 to pass these things. We cost ourselves a little bit of time there. Not enough drawdown. God, we were just like every single, looking for that break, looking for that break. Finally got the break, pull back, looking for the break again, pull back, looking for the break again, then pull back too deep. So, Riz asked above, but not sure you saw. I noticed sometimes on the PNC you look for price to make a lower high to enter in a bearish situation, whereas other times you enter off the sweep of a high. What determines which of those you use in any given situation? It's watching the flow. Just watching the order flow. All right, well, let's see what we got here. Take profit trader we have. I can put in just like one little small day on these things. Not a lot of follow through this morning, which I guess we need to respect. I mean, I kind of want to gun for this to just really slice these lows. I'm going to try to, oh God, fuck you, trader. Copy group not selected. There we go. Beautiful. All right, trying this for the cut of these lows into 125 now. Trade of 8 copy group, never selected, never selected, never selected. We'll add for this pushback to 150. I swear to God, we're just getting ping pong price right now. Okay, adding on that rejection of 150s. Oh God. Looking for that sweep below 140s now. There we go. Taking that off. All right, TPT done for the day there. I just wanted to get a small profit in for TPT. The fact it copied my fucking didn't copy them. I always got to check. Okay, that is selected. Not trading those. Those are selected. All right. Wasn't the overnight was all phantom orders, so we have to go, what? No. We are cutting much lower here. I'm curious to see what's going to happen at these 200s. Not a tremendous amount of bids are coming in yet. They're definitely pressing into them, though. Let's see. Let's see if we reject up here into that 130 area. Watching. Upper end of that volume shelf at 135. I'm going to take this short here. 3 contracts short. Looking for this to break below hundreds now. A huge amount of bidders there at 110. Not really ideal for me. I want to see us breaking through that 110 area now. Huge amount of bids there at 110, but we should reject underneath 135. Looking for, I can peel off some into this 110 pull. Watching here. Just give me that little, yep, right there. A little bit more. Fuck it. God damn it. What the fuck was that? Did you see that? Fuck you, Trade of 8. Jesus Christ. Wasn't I up like 900 per account? What the fuck? What the shit was that? Am I crazy? Dude, wasn't I up like 900 per account? I swear to God. Holy shit. What the fuck was that? Huh? Okay, there's the break. Fuck. Well, fuck. Okay, focus up, focus up, focus up, focus up. Okay, looking for this to break below 100s now and have that continuation lower. I want to see this break below 100s. I will add on pops. We should be able to, dude, there's so many people bidding that if we start to break through this and those stops get popped to the downside, we should see this very harsh rejection here. Watching here at 110, big rejection at 110, looking for this to feather through these hundreds now. Watching. Not a lot of bids at 100. I think we can break through this. I totally think that we can break through these bids. Yep. Should be able to crack a little bit lower here. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. There we go. 3,000 on the day now in alpha. Beautiful. Okay. That's better. I mean, that's the P&L that we did have before we got robbed. Nice outs there. Nice outs right into that 95 area of price. Fucking Tradebait, man. It's so hard to keep your mind locked into the trade when the fucking platform sucks dick. It really is. And I'm not trolling. Like, seriously, it's hard for me. Like, 12 years into this shit, it's like, come on, what are you doing to me? Dude, I'm literally like covering on the bid and then it like bounces and I just click cover all and it fucking robbed like 900. Dude, come on. It didn't move enough to cost me $900 on the amount of contracts I had. I still think you're gonna get your TP. We missed a PNC. I'm too busy bitching. Trying to let my wits come back here. It's just, yeah, you're gonna get your TP probably. There you go. You got your TP, buddy. Nice work. Does Apex have any options better than Tradebait? Not right now that I'm aware of. I mean, people like Quantower and shit. That's not my speed though. Okay, what do we do? What do we trade? I don't know what to trade, to be honest. This is a big area of price too. This fucking breakdown straight into the VWAP could be huge. I don't know if I want to touch my alpha though again. I feel like we should just chill on alpha and count it as a booked day of profit, and then, you know, we're one day closer to pay. I don't even know how many days I have on my alpha. I think it's 2. This is my second day, so I guess we could try take Profit Trader again because they're evals and I don't give a fuck as much about them. Something Pakistan officials. Iran delegates have accepted invitation to meet in Islamabad on Friday. Okay. Everything's getting smoked right now. All equities are getting terribly smoked. Amazon getting schmeckled. Well, charts is fine. It just doesn't, I can't add and remove to positions rapidly. There's the latency is too high for the style that I trade. Most people don't trade my style though, so you'll probably be fine for well charts. It's just not, you know, I rapid fire, you know, like when I'm using my hotkeys, I'm rapid firing into positions, and wealth charts will, like, I'll try to add 5 and it gives me 1, you know? So, and there's no hotkeys you can delegate to like one button being add 5 like you can in equities for some platforms like Bass Trader Pro. Yeah, dude, we tried doing Quantower, we tried doing it on stream, and it just wasn't it. Just wasn't it. Okay. Get it nice and cool in here. There we go. All right, a little algo change there, 3/4 of the hour. 15 minutes till the top of the hour. Wow, session's flying by. We're 15 minutes into the session so far. Starting to see a little bit of lifeblood from people trying to buy things now. Was that enough? We're through the EMA on Microsoft and Apple and Tesla. I don't know, man. Something's brewing. Something's brewing right now. Something's definitely brewing. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, it's good. We made profit on all of our funded accounts, right? Apex, bum deal, funded accounts. So these are our funded accounts that we traded today. Oh, you know what? I have Lucid. I'm gonna fuck with Lucid for a little bit. I have Lucid evals. I should trade those. Let me see if we have anything that we can trade on those. There we go. Oh wait, no, these aren't evals. These are funded. Fuck, I forgot I had these. I forgot I have Lucid Pros. These are funded, I think. Yeah, these are funded. Fuck. I forgot about these things. God damn it. I forgot about them because I took a fucking $3,000 loss like a dingus. Iran has intercepted a foreign drone. Good one. Sure, guys. Violating its airspace. I don't believe you. Okay, we are at a triple topping area right now in the NASDAQ. We're coming up to the previous 4-hour low. I want to see if we can pull back into large bids here, and then maybe equities are ready to squeeze. Okay, I'm going to try this long from here. I want to see if we can fight above 150s. Because fighting above 150s would be huge. Yeah, there we go. We're starting to squeeze now. Looking for this to auction a little bit higher. I want to see us not showing us a blowout here, but I want to see continuation. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened? Huh? How much of a pullback was that? What is going on here? Why am I down so much? What the fuck? Okay. Why on that pullback? What the fuck happened? Huh? 15 points? Let me refresh here. Oh, I see. Well, that's not good. First time I had fucking lag on trade scene. Wow, it fucking added how many contracts? Wow. Yeah, it fucking filled me literally. Dude, that's kind of robbery. I literally... Yeah, so half my fills got in at 139, the other half were at 159. So a 20-point discrepancy. I didn't. Yeah. Yep, that's fucking annoying, dude. We were up so much too. What the fuck? Okay, well, we probably would. Well, I probably would. I don't know. Fuck, man. Dude, it's a 20-point gap in my fills. I'm like refreshing. Please don't be blown. Nope, it's gone. Fucking A, dude. What the fuck, man? All right, well. I don't know what to trade then, champs, because this just everything feels fucking busted. Fuck, dude, those are fucking funded accounts. We were, how much were we up? Like $800? Weren't we up like $800 on that trade at one point? I swear I looked down and I saw 800. God, dude. Fucking A, man. And then what? It added and like fucking added late, and it's like fucking A, dude. Is that by design? I fucking don't think so, man. I've been singing the praises of Fundency. That was the first time that I've seen something like, dude, that pullback, I looked down and I saw my profit. Like, what the fuck? How am I down at that? I should have just fucking flattened or something. I don't know, man. How am I supposed to beat? Can't beat the platforms, man. Fuck. Maybe we just don't trade anymore. Jesus Christ. I want to trade though. Fuck. The fuck, man. I want to trade. I want to trade. Dude, so what is that like? So Apex full blown, that was me, right? So no problems on my Apex trades. Alpha, we were at $900. I pressed close and it's negative. We lose $1,000 for pressing the close button and it didn't move. And then on Trade C, it fucking Spurg added 20 points higher. What's going on today? No, I don't, dude, I'm not gonna, dude, I want to take daily payouts in Funded C. Why would I fucking, if it's not working, like, bro, like, imagine if I lost my fucking profits because the shit is like lagging or something. I mean, given like there is some lag in the market, but like there shouldn't be lag in this, brother. What? It filled me here and then it filled me here. Like, why? What is, there's nothing here that it can't fill me for. What a bummer. Well, nice little PNC there. Fuck. Back to the VWAP. Auctioning out these lows now. Through these lows, 68.10 is a certain area of contention here. I'm going to try to short this into that. Nice downs here. Somehow ass fill, but we'll take it. Something ceasefire violations from Israel. So I'm currently short. Something ceasefire violations. Let's see if we hold below 68.10 here in the S&Ps. That's what I'm watching for. Huge pullback here back to the lower end of this volume shelf. Let's see if we can hold this. See if we can hold underneath 100, which is a key area of price. Trying to nail this as a PNC here. We have to stay weak under 68.10. That's the huge weakness we're trying to target, is underneath 68.10. It does look like they're still selling into this for the time being, so let's see. Watching 85 to break. Nice break below 85. Oh, fucking A. Like, can we hold the break of 85? Looking for 85s to hold. We're going to the downside here. We're looking for 85s to hold a break to the downside. We're currently auctioning back above 68.10s. Back to the VWAP. Can we reject it? VWAP trying to hold underneath hundreds here. Negative news still. Looking for us to auction a little bit lower here. Looking for those 90s to trade out. Can we have this follow through? God, they're still buying it. Jesus. Ceasefire breaches in Iran. I mean, this should be negative news for the market. We have to break through 85 here. 85 is the line in the sand. See if we can carry this lower. 85, we need to trade through 85 here without too many bumps. 68.10, we're back at 68.10 here. Currently holding. Watching for 85 to trade out. 85s are breaking. Can we get that clean snap through 85? Watching here to the 80s. We should be able to get this down through 65 here. Let's see. Back at the 80s right now. Can we break below the 80s? God, they're still holding these 80s. I can't believe it. Actually shocked by how much bidding we're getting at those 80s, dude. We should be able to crack these 80s very quickly. They're just, there's too many people that are just jumping in front of the line and nobody's accepting that price there. It should just snap right through. Microsoft is rejecting the bounce as well. Man. Tricky market. We should be blasting through those 80s though. There's literally nobody there. There you go. You found the strength, babes. Come on, follow through for fuck's sake. Jesus criminy. There you go. Nice follow through. Very, very nice. Let's see this come down through that 70 fucking A. 75 area price. Can we get that nice little flush into that 70 level here? Looking for that 70 flush now. There it is. And god damn it, how did we not get filled? What's my fill at? 72 and a quarter. 72 and a quarter. 72 and a quarter. Just give it to us. Stop fucking with me. God, I hate you. I wish I could make this up, guys. 72 and a quarter. 72 and a quarter. Are you fucking joking me? Oh, God, I hate you so much. Why are you like this? Oh, come back down. Just fucking do it. 72 and a... Stop fucking front running 80s, you pussies. Jesus Christ. What is going on right now? Why are they so fucking terrified of 80s? 68.10 is still weak in the S&Ps too. The hell is going on right now? What is happening at 80s that they're like, is there just a fucking huge player in options right now at 80s? The fuck is happening? Look at all that liquidity. They're fucking like terrified of this shit. All right, we might have to talk about leaving this position alone. Oh, what a fucking heartbreak, huh? We're how many ticks away from getting filled there? What was the low on that candle? 73 and a quarter. We're 1 tick away, or 1.4 ticks away from getting filled there. 6810s are starting to find bidders. Not a huge fan of that. Jesus. The thing is there's not a lot of upside pressure, which is why I'm holding this position. There's not too much upside pressure, which means like the floor should drop out in this thing. It really should. There you go. 180 on the offer. That should scare the price down. They're chasing it. They're chasing it. Let's get this through 80s now. There's only 66 on the bid at 80s. Let's get it going, boys. You goddamn kidding me? God, what is going on with 80s? Holy shit. Go, for fuck's sake! You pussies! Jesus! The level that refuses to break. Literally came back to my entry and fucking rejected again. This is so ridiculous. 6810 still showing us enough weakness. Just crack it, you silly bitch. Right there, right there. Fucking go. Good Lord, stop being pussies. God. All right, I'm moving up my TP. This is like, I can't take it anymore. I'm moving up my TP. Just go, right there, right there, right there. We're 1 tick away. Holy shit. Oh my God, it's right there. I can't take this. I can't take this. It's literally right there, dude. Thank you. Fuck. I'm over it. I'm fucking over it. Jesus, what the fuck do you call this? God. Now watch, it's just gonna fucking go straight down. What the fuck? What are they doing with 80s? Don't you love how we wait until the, oh my God, there it goes. Yeah, no problem. 72 quarters now. No fucking problem, boys. Yeah, I'll go fuck myself. Thank you, market. I'll go fuck myself now. Thanks for priming the market. Dude, this is fucking infuriating price action here. Like the fact that it's whipping like it is, and it's like, dude. I mean, they did do the liquidity grab that I was eyeing, but fucking, of course, we're out here. I need a cigarette, dude. I need a fucking cigarette, brother. Good God. Do-do-do. 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 Dude, these comments are ridiculous. These comments are fucking ridiculous. Dude, these are so good. These are so funny. You guys are so good with your fucking humor. Holy shit. The free indicator hall monitor is here. Oh my God, you guys are fucking so funny. You guys are going savage right now. All right, what do we do? What do we do, champs? I obviously don't know how to fucking read this goddamn market. These 80s. I mean, fuck, do we just bid 80s with the rest of these idiots and just fucking ride it to 100 and take 20 points and keep re-scalping it? It's not the way I trade, but fuck. At this level, it's like, I mean, this is kind of untradeable. I hated the moment that we're in that trade, but I can't close it. It's like, you see what they're trying. Look at this shit though. Look. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see how bad this is. Like how much they're spreading this shit. That's better, but like, they come down to these 80s and they start front running. They start stacking. Watch. Oh, you see that? You see that? Okay. What are they doing? They must have like a fucking crazy gamma wall at 80s or something in the options market. They must. Like, they have to. Because there's literally nothing in the Mag 7 that is saying this. We are at the VWAP and the S&Ps. That's the only thing I'm really seeing outside of like... Or... Oh, it's Barron. That's what it is. Barron's at 80s. Fuck. Should have known. The greatest trader of all time. Now, Barron. No, listen to me carefully. Listen to me clearly. Yes. So the market will flush to the 80s, Barron, and now listen to me. You're going to do what's called an iceberg order. What is that, Dad? Think like the Titanic, but instead of Jack dying, Rose dies, that fucking bitch. Oh, that's great, Dad. Yes. So bid the fucking 80s. Bid the fucking 80s, I'm telling you, son. Okay, Dad, I'll do it. I don't know why we're bidding 80s. It's fucking... Dude, you're gonna tell me that somebody doesn't know something? Look at this fucking tug of war. Look at these fucking wicks, dude. I emotionally had to go through that. God damn it. This is the opposite of clean price action, if you're wondering. Oh, I wasn't a top performer in Alpha Futures for March, given I did start late, so maybe we'll be a top performer this month. Somebody got $90,000 in payouts from Alpha. $90,000 in payouts. Second place got $88,000. Here, I'll show you guys. This is dope. I like that they do this. This is fucking cool. Oh my God. Christ. That's who I'm always swearing to. No wonder he made 90,000. Jesus Christ, man can't only walk on water, but he can fucking get max performance payouts in Alpha accounts. My God. We got Brook, Sangat, Cole, Ryan. Why are the top three names so like... Yeah. Anyway, top performing countries. USA. Let's go. Yeah, probably, Christopher. You're right. Oh, man. Dude, it sucks because, like, you guys know me. Like, I really want to be trading. I want to fucking trade so bad. This is just dog shit, brother. Look at this dog shit down here. What did they figure? Dude, look at it. I can't show you the S&Ps, but it's even worse than the S&Ps. It's literally wing. S&Ps are 12s to 16s, a 4-handle range, and it's literally like a heartbeat monitor. What do you guys think this market wants to do, long or short? I look at this and I'm like, this market's gonna roll so fucking hard, but I'm usually wrong in situations like this. I don't get how we get this into this. Like, what a tug of war. Sweep long, then flush. I could vibe with that. I could see that happening for sure. I'm stressed out, dude, and I'm profitable on funded accounts, except for Lucid. Lucid, we blew. Like Carlos's mom, great mouth. Yeah, we blew Lucid, unfortunately. I think those are blown. Let me check. Yep, breached. Fuck. God damn it. I didn't even, like, I knew after the fact that they were funded, but like, fuck. What are they doing adding in my contracts 20 points later? Those bastards. Sons of bitches, dude. All right. God rest their soul. My Lucid Pros are gone. Fuck, I gotta do fucking 5 more now. God damn it. Fuck. Yep, they're gone. Do you know or watch Troydan? I don't know who that is, no. Guys, this is like, this ain't normal. I'm sorry, but that's not normal. This is normal for Globex. This is normal for like pending FOMC. By the way, FOMC meeting minutes are not FOMC. This is not normal. I'm just telling you right now, that ain't normal. This is not characteristic of a normal market. So something's brewing. Something's brewing. This is not normal. Like one-sided, sure, and that's why I was short, because this looked pretty one-sided, but then whop, 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 whop. Yeah, that ain't normal. That's not normal. That's not normal. Is Baron building his wall? Yeah. Dad, it's my version of the wall. Get them out. It's not just good for ice in your drinks. Okay, we are coming down previous 4 hour and maybe going for it here. Just open up a strangle. Well, the moment you opened up that strangle, the market broke. So hats off to you. Honest question based on your results, opinions, is it better to trade funded accounts the way you do? Big wins, losses are slow and steady. I mean, I don't think anybody should trade how I trade, to be honest. But I mean, dude, the Apex accounts, I will definitely take credit for losing those. Well, not hitting my daily loss limit in my Apex. It's only $4,000 a pass or $3,500 a pass now. I will take full credit for losing those or for hitting my daily loss limit. The Lucid Pro accounts, I looked and I was up $800. I blinked my eyes, I was down 1,000 and the price barely moved. I mean, it moved like 10 points, but like, it's my fault always. But like, dude, I mean, I was in a winning trade there, and I don't know. I'm not that guy, right? I'm not that guy who's gonna be like, dude, I should have won. Like, if I lose, I lose, right? Whatever. But like, come on, man. That was a winning trade. So I feel like overall, like, I don't think I did very poorly today. Do you think I did shitty today? I don't think I traded too poorly today. Just wasn't great. It's tough. You know, it's just tough for me. So. Gotcha, wasn't around for that trade. Was just curious what performed for you better. Seems like the Lucid thing was kind of one-off. Well, I mean, dude, in all fairness, like I had a trade idea and the trade idea was intercepted by the trading platform in the way that I did not expect. I guess I could have flattened, but yeah. So. You trading great. You trading great, especially for the market you're giving. I mean, dude, did not like this fucking chop zone that we're in right now. It's not fun at all. I did like my long right here. And then that, like, dude, tell me how I go long from here and then it pulls back here and my accounts get blown. Like, that's not cool. Like, it breaks my brain when that shit happens. I was long from this break, right? I was literally long from this break. Fuck, there it goes. Anyway, I was long from like this break here, and you know, when it pulls back here, I'm kind of just in. Press report from Iran. You must get permission from us if you want to go through the Strait of Hormuz, or you will be destroyed. That doesn't sound like a ceasefire to me, guys. Ah, boy. You know, I don't like this market right now. Not a fan. Don't like this market right now. I want to fucking trade so bad, but I'm not going to do it. Want to fucking trade. I tried to trade the fucking thing and it just sucked. I'm not going to trade. I fucking want to trade. I fucking hate this. God. I fucking want to trade so bad, but I'm not liking this market right now. This market sucks. Trade a micro, there's no upside for trading a micro, bro. Oh, I go from 54.73 to 55.60. Like, who cares? I don't care. Yeah, I don't like this market. This fucking market sucks right now, dude. This is lame. You know me, I love market with follow through. I mean, given did we get any of this short? Didn't we short this in TPT or something? I don't remember. I feel like we got a piece of this move, didn't we? In TPT, or I think Apex, and before we fucked them. Yeah, we got like a little piece in Apex. I don't remember. Anyway. Yeah, not a fan. This is gross, dude. This is nasty. How are we going up on that, by the way? You know, when I can't make sense of the news, I just kind of like, meh. I mean, whatever. Globex was fantastic for us. We did make money in, dude, Alpha, fuck, $3,000 in Alpha, $20 fucking $1,000, $25,000 in our funded seat. I can't be mad about that. And I tried to get more in our funded seat, but the market just wasn't cooperating. So stream is missing some music. Can you guys not hear the music? I hear it in my ears. Joel says, I'm over it. I'm fighting for my fucking life for 37. Dude, that's what it felt like in this last trade that I took. And like, you know. Okay, yeah, I thought so. I don't know what fucking, who said we need music? I don't even know why I'm upset. Like, I made money. It's not like my Lucid Pros were so fucking far down and they had very little drawdown. I shouldn't even be upset about that. Apex are still in evals and those were the lowest on the pecking order. What else? TPT, we made money, right? We got a flip day in our TPT, right? Didn't we? Yeah, dude, we're fine. What am I'm upset. You know what it is? I'm upset because I want to fucking trade. God, that's what it is. I want to fucking trade. Dude, I really wanted to trade today. Like more. Anybody else feeling the same way I am? Like, I really wanted to trade, and this is just, I'm trying to talk myself out of trading right now. Anybody else feel like me? Same? Yeah. No, I'm not gonna force it, man. Just scalp the range, LOL. That's just not my trading style, man. I can't trade out of my trading style. It's just, I have my trading style. I'm a momentum trader. When we get range bound, some people are like bricked up. I'm like, nah, not my shit. It just ain't my market, man. I don't trade range bound. I don't trade range bound markets. So wait 18 minutes. Yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens at the bottom of the hour. Overs or unders win. Overs or unders. Who won? I'm guessing unders, right? Overs or unders. And we'll do another channel points gamble. Unders, okay. Unders are getting paid. Cool, there we go. Next prediction. All right, there you go. Get after it. So just promoted on 150K Alpha to qualified, so hyped and reviewing rules, want max payout. What would you like to know? I can answer any questions you have. I am a certified Alpha expert now. Any question you have, just let me know, man. Certifiably an Alpha expert over here, brother. Yes, sir. That's me. They call me the Alpha King. They don't really, but yeah. Stuart, we'll see you when you get back. Globex stream tonight at 6 p.m., baby. Second to last Globex stream of the week. Who's counting, though? Not me. Rips, you should add previous day, low, high, mid, and you should also add the closes like previous day, previous. We have all that. Did you update your indicator? We have all that. We have the regular trading. Look at it here. We have all that, brother. Right here. Did you update your indicator? We got all that, player. Do you know why we got all that? Because we fucking broke the law and we committed a terrible crime. That's how. No, we don't have a trade C indicator. It's illegal to have a trade C indicator. You can't do it. We're going to jail. Fuck. Indicator jail. Max amount I can make and get payout after 5+ days. Payout is 50% profit. Yeah, 15,000 per account. 15,000 per account. All right, you guys need to go back and upvote any of those trading view comments if you have time. Let me know which ones are your favorite and we'll award somebody a free Lucid account. Trump press conference at 1? I mean, dude, it's not like we have like a ton of shit being traded here anyway. Like, yes, we moved the fucking point of control here, but like, God. They ain't giving us any motion. I just want some fucking motion on a goddamn fucking Wednesday, dude. Just blew your account. I'm sorry, man. What is the name of the previous high and low indicator? Spaceman BTC. No, Rip's key levels. Rip's key levels. Your lives are not updating on TradingView? What do you mean? There's like a little purple, like look, right here. You can't see it. There's a little purple icon. Just remove it and re-add it. Today's cheeks for sure, bro. This dude, how long are we gonna be in this fucking range for? What are they doing, bro? What the fuck are they doing? Like, actually, what are they fucking doing, bro? Like, actually, what are they doing? What is this shit? I'm not even in this, and I'm fucking angry for you guys that are still trading this. I'm not looking for shit. I'm not gonna trade this anymore, bro. I'm gonna book my fucking profits and call it a day. Like, there ain't shit for me right now, unless we get a breaking news headline that we can trade. Maybe it goes out of balance and we trade it back into this bullshit balance range. Like, this is a huge profile we're building down here for regular trading hours. Oh God, stressing me out though, because like this is why I try to like temper my expectations on a daily. But like, dude, I woke up this morning super excited to trade. I'm like, oh fuck yeah, we have that huge displacement overnight. Like, it's gonna be a great day, trading day today. Thank God I didn't fucking go crazy into that trade. I only traded fucking 4 contracts, but still, like, fuck. Oh, so annoying. Is there other products to trade that aren't affected by the war? Fuck if I know. I don't think so. A product to trade that's not affected by the war? Oh, you could trade channel gamble points in kick.com/rips. Those aren't affected by, well, technically we are betting on the price, so. Yeah. Actually, you know what? I did find something. There's actually pretty decent odds on this. Hold on. Let me see here. I'm trying to find a good one that you could actually bet on that would actually make sense. I'm just trying to see if we can find something here. Something that's not going to be affected by the war. Okay, I mean, this is I don't know if this applies to you. This is something. I mean, I just found this on Polymarket. I mean, that's valid. You could do this one on Polymarket. I mean, dude, it's kind of like a given. I mean, if you want to bet on shit that's not affected by the war, I feel like this is a shoo-in. Everybody know Carlos's mom is never going to stop doing her favorite shit, you know. So, I mean, that seems like pretty good odds. So, you know. I would take that bet. It's probably not going to be affected by the war. You never know, though. She might have a client out in Tel Aviv, and that could affect the amount of cocks that she's sucking that day. I don't know, though. I haven't looked into it. You know what? Maybe we'll make another illegal indicator about it. We'll call it don't know. Dickman BTC. I don't know. Not an expert on these things. Well, this is just so bad. I don't trust this market at all. I feel like something is coming. It's not Carlos's mom this time, but something is coming. Sure heard she was in bed with Epstein. Nah, she's too old for him. Way too old for Epstein. Off by about 43 years or so. Something like that. Is she on OnlyFans? No, she doesn't charge. The streets say she does it just for the love of the game. That's the word on the streets. Carlos's mom has a mouthful of dicks simply for the love of the game. Dude, you guys are so funny. These fucking comments that I'm reading on TradingView. All right, let me see which one has the most upvotes here. I gotta find this. This is fucking hilarious, dude. Oh man. Dude, 13 upvotes on that one. Holy shit. All right, I think I'm gonna give it to Kenyella and Crockers. You guys have won. Kenyella and Crockers, the two top upvoted comments on the fucking indicators, just so funny. You guys win. Kenyella, where are you? Are you in YouTube? Yeah, Crockers, you got 7 upvotes, and Kenyella got Crockers, you got 13, and Kenyella got 7. Caniella says the free indicator hall monitor is here. Fucking short, sweet, and true to the point. And then Crocker says, hey, virtual quant, your mom's legs must be wider than the English channel because every time she spreads them, the tide comes in twice as fast, swallowing up all the cum, producing a retard like yourself. Hold on. That's a standing ovation for that one right there. Well done. That's what we call poetry, modern day poetry. Crockers, have you ever considered renaming yourself to Robert Frost? Because that is in line with some of the best poetry I've ever read. Crockers, shoot me a DM on Instagram or Twitter. And Kenyella, if you're watching, shoot me a DM on Instagram or Twitter and let me know pro or flex. He deserved it. I sent that to the guy who helped me, who programmed the indicator, and he goes, dude, I wish I had that much time on my hands to worry about shit like that. Do they know who Robert Frost is? You know, probably the hall monitor doesn't. His mom definitely doesn't have a Strait of Hormuz. No, definitely not. Sometimes life rewards people who hate properly. That's funny as fuck. Oh, man. Funded seed is discounting, but it looks like it's only 20%. Right. So it's 60% off. And then with code RIPS, you get an additional 20% on your first account. Otherwise, it goes back to 60% off. So there you go. Did I miss out on the consolation prize that Alpha gave away the other day? They should have added those accounts to you. Let me just double check. Let me message them right now. Can you please make sure that anybody who turned down the free setup computer giveaway is credited with a free Alpha account? Thank you. There you go. Keep hearing about the Strait of Hormuz. Is it finally open? I'm not sure. Dude, this price action is so bad. Crockers, did you send me a DM? And Kenyella, What is your name? Caniela 1904. Caniela 1904. Kaniela 1904. Send me a DM, and I'll get you suited and booted here. I think Caniela just messaged me. Let me see. Oh, that's you, Crockers. Thank you. 50K Pro coming your way, buddy. Eh? You guys are so funny. I love you guys. You said pro, right? 50K Pro. All right. Got you, baby. There you go. Oh my God. Oh my God. This person actually messaged me. The guy messaged me too. So he not only commented on TradingView, he not only commented on YouTube, he also, I just see this in my box. This person also sent me a DM on Twitter, and they've actually won an account, free Apex account from me before. And they literally wrote, "Did you really steal Spacebed BTC's code and pass it off on your own? Did you know that that's illegal?" Is this guy autistic, retarded, or both at the same time? What the fuck, dude? How the fuck do people have so much time on their hands? I gotta get ripped so good this morning. Fucking hate this guy. Jesus Christ, dude. Get a fucking hobby, brother. I'm not even joking. I literally have a DM from this guy in my Twitter inbox. Unfucking believable, bro. This is a first for me. That's the kind of person where it's like, I'm kind of terrified to have like a meetup in person, because if those types of people exist, it's like, holy shit. What a fucking weirdo, bro. Jesus Christ, what a goddamn weirdo you are, bro. It's time to find a hobby. Holy shit. It's like meeting a doomsday pro. Dude, I can't believe that that's even real. It's insane. He's the type of guy that complains after. Dude, I don't think he's ever been with a woman. Just gonna put it out here. I don't think homeboy's ever been with a woman. Somebody just said he's the type of guy who complains when she swallows. I don't think he's been to first base yet. Let's be honest. Yeah, this market sucks, guys. This is just dog shit. Caniela, are you here? I want to give you your free account, dude. Oh, I just got a message from TradingView. We've noticed you've been growing your following and releasing your free indicator. We wanted to reach out and let you know that we're here to support you. Please let us know how you're enjoying our platform or if there's anything that we can do to make your experience better. Huh. Thanks for reporting me, pal. TradingView loves me. That's amazing. Amazing. That's funny. Whew. Guess I'm gonna stay out of jail, guys. Fuck. Whew. Sweating that one. Thought the police were gonna show up at my door today. Sir, you have an indicator on TradingView. Holy shit, this is so funny. Tesla's getting destroyed. Yeah, it is. Damn, almost down 20 points. Dude, every single time I'm trying to not watch the market, and then I look back and I'm like, no, oh, here we go, something. Oh, it's the crude numbers, sorry. No, it's not actually. Some oil tankers just passed through the Strait of Hormuz and were stopped. He'll be convicted, yes. It's gonna happen, dude. Dude, TradingView is playing nice. They're collecting information to send to the feds. They're trying to get on my good side. Hey, by the way, this indicator. Oh, God. Okay, nice. We fucking have bad news and a rejection 30 handles higher. Jesus Christ. Somebody stop the madness. Stop the madness. What are we supposed to do in this market, man? I'm just like looking at it dumbfounded. Okay, JD Vance will not be attending the in-person Iran talks. Okay. You saw LE cattle crash? Oh. The cows are going down. Clearly. The second we all call it, the day will make its... you're not wrong. To be honest, the market moves 300 points from here, it's going to go without me, man. You know? Nothing I can do. Like, we have every fucking piece of negative news and the market's not rolling, which means that there's some insiders that know some shit, dude. I don't know. Like, it should be short, you know what I mean? It should be short, but it's not. I don't know how I'm supposed to trade this, folks, because like I want to be short, but I'm terrified of a huge bounce in my face, right? I can't be the only one. I applied this indicator to my chart and got a discount code to Carlos's mom. Don't fall for it though, she's way overbought. Good comms, good comms. Gold is moving, let's see. Yeah, gold, fuck, gold is beautiful. Jesus. President Trump says envoys Kushner and Witkoff will be party to the Iran talks in Islamabad. Wait, what? Oh, wait, which Witkoff? Not his son, right? The older Witkoff. The younger Witkoff is handling Liberty Financial. I was like, that's weird for a minute. Nomad Film says trading one micro at a time. I'm up 1,500 in this bullshit. Give it up for Shinobi. Let's go, baby. Look at crude. What, sailing to the downside? Well, probably just bounced on the fucking oil tanker. Yeah, oil tanker's getting stopped. Dude, we're back down in my crude levels down here, which are fucking not working at all. Jesus Christ. I don't even remember the last time this chart updated my crude levels. Jesus, these are fucking way old. Bum, 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 bum. Unders? I believe so. I believe it is the unders. You're not wrong. Let's do it. Unders. Wait, was it actually? Yeah, way unders. All right, let's do a slot prediction. Yeah, because this is just hot garbage, dude. I want to go work out. I want to spend some slots to go work out. This is just... how are you supposed to trust anything? Like, it's just making its way downtown. I wish I was still short from whatever the fuck... What was our average price when we were short? Like 90s or something, right? Let me see. 80... Yeah, like 83 or something. Would have been nice, but like, fuck, if I'm gonna hold that, there's no shot, brother. I mean, if we traded, if we ripped back up to 80s and rejected, maybe there's a trade, but like, I don't know. How are you supposed to short this when it's fucking this shit?
That can happen again for no reason. I've been saying since back here I like the market short, but then we just dealt with a fucking sideways job. What do you think, champs? ES looks cleaner. Yeah, I mean it was a little bit better. Are we actually starting to get it to break down now? $154 bid at 25. I'm gonna lay off. I'm just gonna lay off. I'm gonna lay off. I'm not gonna, dude. I'd be so mad if I lost money. I'd be so mad. I want to trade so bad though. Fuck. That bid's been there all morning, has it? Not wrong. Yeah, you're not wrong. It has. It's at 26, not 25. I got it wrong. Yeah, you're not wrong. Man. All right, I'm trying this short. One quick short here. Bang, taking it off. Bang, quick one. Quick little snap. Straight down to 45. Okay, I feel better now. I got one trade in. That's all I want. I just wanted that quick little release from 60 to 45. Done. That's it. I'm fucking stalking that trade like a jungle cat, dude. Just fucking. Just a quick one. Just a fucking quick one. Straight to 40. And I'm not gonna fucking wait. In, out, done. On with our life. Blue balls are over. All right, everybody. Folks on YouTube, I'm going to continue streaming on Kick. That's where I'm going to be. I just don't want to get fucked anymore. Well, I didn't get fucked. We traded great. We traded fine. I just don't want to risk it, right? I don't want to risk getting fucked. So, folks on YouTube, I'll be back at 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Central. I'll see you folks then. Be good. See ya.